Good morning, Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. Glad you can join us. We're here today in Glencoe, Ontario. We're on Pratt Siding Road. We're doing a home. You can see it behind me. It's actually two different roof areas. One roof area that's a sloped shingle roof. It's very low slope, so we're going to eliminate the shingles and put on a flat roofing system. We also have 3 skylights on the roof, so we'll show you how to roof in a skylight. And we have another flat roofing area about 3 feet elevated above that, which we're going to do a different day. So I'll show you what the job looks like. Hopefully you like it. Thank you so much. Okay, welcome back. We've come on the roof. We're about an hour or so into the job. You can see the 3 holes behind me. We've lifted up the skylights. They're sitting right in here. So we're going to actually, instead of just trying to roof the skylights in, we're going to properly take as you can see here, we've taken the glazing out. We're going to roof over the curb and work around it. So it's a shingle roof, but the slope is really low slope. So the problem with a low slope shingle roof, the ice and water starts building up in the spring and water flows back in. So we're going to give them a proper flat roofing membrane put down. We have an elevation change here. We're going to properly tie this up and over. We have stone coping at the wall side. So we're going to tie that in too. So there you go. We have a couple vents we're going to put in. Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We've got quite a bit of work ahead of us. You can take a look overall. Small square footage, but important details. So we'll show you what it looks like. We're going to start putting some sofa board down, show you what it looks like. Thank you. Okay, welcome back. We finished putting the sofa board. Again, like I said, the shingles, it was too low of a slope to put shingles back on. In the spring when the ice and snow starts to melt, at the edges what's going to happen, the snow starts coming back in. So with this system, that's an impossible factor. We properly seal it. So go ahead and take a look. We put the sofa board down. The skylights, we removed the glazing and the curb, put them to the side to properly roof it in. And then we have a stone coping at the edge. We got 2 roof vents. That's just to relieve the hot air from inside the rafters so it doesn't rot and mold from inside. So there we go. We're going to start putting it down the base sheet and we'll show you what it looks like. Thanks. Okay, Legacy Flat Roofing, thanks for coming back. We finished the base sheet on the substrate, and truly this is really the important part of the process. This is the skylight curb, and in a shingle, if it's a normal shingle detail, you have ice and water shield staying at the substrate. You don't have anything coming up. But if you see what we've done now, we've brought the base sheet up the curb. So now in a heavy rainfall or snow accumulation on the curb, water's not going to be able to get through. So that's an important detail. We also did the same on the sidewall. You can see the base sheet membrane coming up, which is an important part when we talk about waterproofing. So there we go. We have the vents to put in, curb properly insulated or properly waterproofed the curbs of the skylight. So we'll show you what it looks like when we start putting the cap sheet. Thanks. Okay, we finished the job. Job turned out great. I think the clients will be thrilled. We were able to lift up the skylights and roof under them. That's the proper way to do it instead of just trying to piece the work together. We had vents here. We were able to put an all sand resin flashing around. And what that's basically going to do, it's going to allow the roof to expel the hot air, because the hot air will just sit there, start rotting the roof from the underside. You've seen the details on the wall here. You can come around, take a look. We have just basically brought the membrane right up, put some new metal flashing, and the same thing under there. So now when snow sits here, it's going to be completely waterproof. So there we go. Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. Small little roof, couple skylights, couple vents, a wall detail really turned out nice. It's the detailing work that counts on this one. So if you're in the southwestern Ontario area, give us a call. We'd love to hear from you. Or you can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thanks so much.